So today's song is actually 3 songs, and these are 3 what we call Quod Libet songs, and they're 3 separate songs that actually all fit together and work on top of each other. These are 3 folk songs from England that were arranged by Thomas Ravenscroft, who was kind of living between 1580s and 1635, and he wrote a lot of songs based on sort of traditional folk songs and part songs for the day. So this is 3 songs. You might know 1 or 2 of them. You might have never tried putting them together. So the first one is Hey Ho Nobody at Home, which I felt might be quite nice to change the words for this one. Hey ho everybody is home, because we're all at home. But this is one that I've done with my choirs quite a few times. Hey ho nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry. And there's different versions of the tune of the words in that one, but I do yet I will be merry, very merry. So this one just goes, hey ho, nobody at home. Let's try that. Hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry, yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey ho, nobody at home, hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry, yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey, and say the last line comes straight back in on the first one. Yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey ho. So I'll just sing the whole thing. Hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry, and so on. So that's song number 1. The next one we'll do is called Our Poor Bird. And this one, a little bit sad, but there are quite a lot of different verses to it. We'll just do one verse, but I will include the other verses in the notes if you like. So we have, our poor bird, take your flight. So we have an upward scale. Here we go. Our poor bird, take your flight. Up above the sorrows of this dark night, up above the sorrows of this dark night. There are slightly different variations on the timing in that sorrow line. Up above the sorrow of this dark night, or some people do up above the sorrows of this dark night, which I think I prefer. And then so we'll just do the whole of that one. Our poor bird, take your flight, up above the sorrows of this dark night. Our poor bird, take your flight, up above the sorrows of this dark night. So that's song number 2. And then we have Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? Line 1, and then we're I will marry at thy will, sir. I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will, at thy will. I will marry marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. So that is rose, rose, and then the three all fit on top of each other. So I've put those in the recording, and you can just pick one of them and sing it. Hey ho, nobody at home, our poor bird, or rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? And if you've got more than one voice with you in your household, and you can sing, pick one each, and try putting them all on top of each other, and the harmonies just suddenly happen, and it's really lovely. Thank you very much. See you next time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey ho, nobody at home, meat nor drink nor money have I none, yet I will be merry, very merry. Hey, ah, poor bird, take your flight up above the sorrows of this dark night. Ah, poor bird, take your flight up above the sorrows of this dark night. Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. Rose, 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 will I ever see thee wed? I will marry at thy will, sir, at thy will. Rose,